this video, we will guide you through the steps to follow if you've forgotten your password on the Dewis Cymru website. The process is straightforward and only takes a few moments. Starting from the home page, click Sign Up, Sign In at the top left of the screen. Click on the Forgotten Password link at the bottom of the page. Enter the email address that you registered with and click Send Reset Link. You will see a message confirming that your password has been sent to your email address. You will receive an email with a link to reset your password. If you've not received this email, then please check your junk email folder. Please click on the password reset link in the email. You will now be taken to Dewis Cymru, where you will be asked to enter a new password. If you need any help or support to use Dewis Cymru, please contact us by emailing help@dewis.wales.